Microsoft OneNote is a great note-taking application and many people use the application. But sometimes issues may also occur with it. And one of those issues is that some users have problems signing in to OneNote on their Windows 10. But luckily, we will show you some possible solutions that you can try in this video tutorial. Now, if you're unable to log in to OneNote with a Gmail ID address, here's what you can do. Go to Credential Manager by typing in Credential Manager in the Windows search box. This would open a window, and then select Windows Credentials. Next is you have to scroll down and see the generic credentials. Under the generic credentials, remove all credentials from Microsoft Office or Microsoft OneNote. This usually solves the problem, and you can now sign in to Microsoft OneNote with your Gmail address. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.